timing calculation. If timing calculation is not there, then entire prediction, entire understanding of palmistry is not feasible. So I've given the timing calculation also, like when you are going to marry, when you get your job, when the foreign travel, when you get the house, when promotion, when monetary loss, when accident. So many timing of calculations and reference from here and then remedies. What the Western palmist has said, the heart line starts from Jupiter Mount and goes to the Mercury Mount. But what Indian concept is, or Indian Samudrik Shastra concept is that heart line starts from here and goes into this. Same way, for as per the Indian context, the marriage area is here. We look, we figure out the marriage from here under the Mercury Mount. But what Western palmist has said, the marriage can be seen from Mars to your lower Mars. So these all the concept, all the difference of opinion of the concept, what the Western are saying, what the actual practice is, I have quoted in my book. I want to show you my book, what all the things covered in the book and what all the pictures and everything is covered in book. So you will be more, you so you will have more clarity what are the things are mentioned in the book. See, what are the points I have covered? I have covered uses of the palmistry, how to take palm print, which palm should read, what to analyze first, all basic introduction of the palmistry here. Then if you go down slowly and gradually, if you go down, you will see the classification of hands, physical classification, square hand, elementary hand, mixed hand, other things are covered in the books. Color part, skin classification, what are the colors of palm, pink, black, white, yellow, skin hair classification, what about the nails, which are the planets, their actual size, shape of the mount. Then if you go to the benefic and malefic sign, like triangle sign, square sign, sun sign, angle sign, malefic sign, like cross sign, star sign, island sign, grill sign, what are the other important signs, fish sign, flag sign, trident, swastik, temple, lotus, what are the planet symbol, then fingerprints. Then if you go to the finger type, what are the finger type, finger size, significance of finger, if there is a gap in the finger, then all the fingers at Jupiter, Saturn, Sun, Mercury, thumb, what are the characteristics of finger, if one finger is bent toward the another finger, what is the characteristic, if one finger is short, one finger is long, then what will be the implication. Then a finger of the naughty finger, then what is the influence of that. Some people have a naughty finger. Then bulbous thumb, murderous thumb. What is the exact meaning of this? People are scared when they see they or either any of their family member having a bulbous thumb. Whether we should scare it from it or no. Then lines, important lines, vertical line or horizontal line. How does it impact? Then it will go to the permanent lines. I have divided the lines in various categories: lifeline, headline, heartline, upper. Then temporary line, luck line, sun line, mercury line. Then important line as marriage line, children line, timing of marriage, Mars line, travel line, foreign line, enemies line, upcoming line, bad habits line of intuition. Then I have covered the bracelet, which you will not find in any of the books. Bracelet has been covered in very detail in books. Then I have covered one more topic, marriage compatibility via palm, which my second book is under writing. It can come at any point of time, where I have mentioned which are the 6 points we have to see when you have to match the palm bride and groom. Like the Kinduli, we do the 36 gunas matching. In the marriage compatibility via palm, we also match whether they both are fit for complement to each other or not. If not, then marriage would be challenging. Then planets. People ignore the development of planets. Mark my word, if any of your planet is underdeveloped, write it somewhere, then in chart the planet will definitely in trouble, in bad houses, or it has a bad conjunction, bad eye, bad sight. This planet will either D1 or D9 is not be good. If any planet in your palm is underdeveloped, you can cross check the Kundali chart and you will see the same planet in either D1 or D9 is bad. It's not good. It has negative energy. It is, if overdeveloped, then what will happen? If underdeveloped, what will happen? If the planet is normal, then what is going to happen? So I have completed all the nine planets. Then timing calculation. If calculation, if timing calculation is not there, then entire prediction, entire understanding of palmistry is not feasible. So I've given the timing calculation also, like when you are going to marry, when you get your job, when the foreign travel, when you get the house, when promotion, when monetary loss, when accident. So many timing of calculations and reference from here, and then remedies. Timing calculation. If timing calculation is not there, then entire prediction, entire understanding of palmistry is not feasible. So I've given the timing calculation also, like when you are going to marry, when you get your job, when the foreign travel, when you get the house, when promotion, when monetary loss, when accident. So many timing of calculations and reference from here, and then remedies. So I suggest you go read this book, buy this book, and if anyone is interested to buying this book, comment on the comment box. I will give you the 15% coupon where you can buy the book at the 15% discount.